Hey everybody, and welcome to my shop, which is an absolute mess. It is almost impossible to work in here. So this week I need to tackle this. And I think I have the solution. I need better systems. So this week I'm gonna come up with a system to build a system for my system. But first, clean up. Especially because this shop is a lot smaller than the shop that I'm used to in Germany, I have to be insanely tidy. And the only way to keep a shop in order is to have good systems. And the basic system that I use is the Thanos boxes. This is where everything goes inside. This is how I organize my things. But these boxes need to be somewhere so it is easy to get to the things that I need. So I need a system for my system, but because that requires a lot of measuring, and I think it is an ongoing process because the system grows always, I want to build a system that makes it super easy for me to build the system for my Thanos system. So first step is to build a prototype. Happy with the prototype, works great, just took forever to build. So now is the part where I want to come up with a system to make these builds faster. And that's why I'm visiting my friend Simone. And with the help of Simone and with the help of SolidWorks, who are this week's sponsor, I hope I can make a simple template that makes it super easy for me to build these storage cabinets. So I need your help on a project. My shop is so messy and I do have a good system for all the things.
And you can see how clean my shop is. So you
yes,
Simone,
to make me feel bad.
Yeah.
I have these boxes, same ones that I have in Germany. They now make these super cool rails. I haven't set it up yet because I'm too lazy to measure all these things.
Okay.
So I built this rough prototype.
So you want to cut that on the CNC?
Yes.
Okay, so the only reason
You need to talk
me
to her.
is-
You need to talk to her. I don't talk to her anymore.
Yeah.
This is your time to be that friend with the CNC. You know, there are different things. You know, you have some friends that have a hitch on their car. You call them.
Okay.
You don't need a hitch on your car. You just need a friend with a hitch.
Yeah, I'm only friends with you because you have a pickup truck.
Exactly. Or friends with swimming pools, you know? You don't need a
Friends
pool.
with benefits, but not the sexy kind.
The digital fabrication benefits.
Yeah, that's me.
You're not even struggling with the program, you're struggling with your fingers. They're very broken too. What happened?
I cut my finger on some glass.
Okay, you want to borrow?
I just like, can you zoom in on it again?
Just use pictures.
I don't want to use your
See?
How do we zoom back in on it?
This week's video is sponsored by SolidWorks for Makers. And this is a new experience that SolidWorks created, and it comes with two options. The first option contains apps such as XDesign and XShape, and it is 100% browser-based design app with cloud storage. So everything that you need, you have available on the internet, and you can access it from your tablet or your Mac. In short, this is very, very flexible. And now the second option includes the 3D experience SolidWorks, which allows you to design locally on your Windows PC, but you can still save your designs to the cloud if you want to. So at only $48 per year, SolidWorks for Makers is a new affordable way to get industry-grade design tools and more for your personal projects. And it doesn't matter if you're a newbie like me or more a seasoned designer, because you can expand SolidWorks quite a bit. So if this got you interested, please scan this QR code or click the link in the description. I can only recommend it. It was very, very intuitive and also quite a bit of fun, especially because I got to do it with my friend Simone, of course. No, it doesn't matter. Like it doesn't matter. Like those are correct. I just put a piece of tape over it. My point is, I don't want to mismeasure, and this is now correct, and then I can repeat it. And I'm very thankful. Thank you so much for doing this. We did it. It's actually a very intuitive program, and without ever working with it, Simone and I figured it out. Let's put the template to work. And here we are. This is how many of those plastic drawer slides I had. I will get more, and this will be an ongoing thing. This system will grow with me. All the Festool tools come in these sustainers. They fit in these rails. So I will have to build more and more and more with all the tools that I acquire, with more consumables that I'm collecting, with more things that I find. This is a growing storage system. And that for me is the most important thing, that you don't limit yourself to a system that is stagnant. Stagnant? Sounds good. So a growing system is what I wanted to have. I now have this master template I can add to my existing cabinets. I can grow them more and more and more. And this is a system to build a system for my system. I want to thank SolidWorks for believing in me, for sponsoring this work, and for giving me access to the SolidWorks for Makers program. I think I might use it more and then have Simone destroy her bits. I don't think I will ever have my own CNC, but we'll see. Maybe a shaper. Maybe a shaper. All right. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you next week with a new video.